Tata brought an updated version of the Altroz Racer to the bar at Mobility Expo 2024. Launch. It is likely to go on sale in the first half of 2024. Price. The Altroz Racer is expected to have a starting price of 10 rupees lakh ex-showroom. Engine and transmission. The sportier version of the Altroz comes with a 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine, making 120 PS and 170 Nm, derived from the Nexon. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission only. Features. The Altroz Racer comes with a larger touchscreen infotainment system with connected car tech, a semi-digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, a sunroof, and cruise control. Safety. In terms of passenger safety, it gets dual front airbags, ISOFIX child seat anchors, ABS with EBD and rear parking sensors. Rivals. The Altroz Racer will be a rival to the Hyundai i20 line. Stay tuned for the car to be launched and also for upcoming car updates. Pros. Handling. Ride quality. Safety. Spacious cabin. Engine performance. Looks. Road presence. Sporty. Cons. Back seat headroom. Engine noise, subjective choice. Ground clearance, not a problem for normal potholes. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.